Hi friends, in this video I'm going to share what is keyword research. Basically, keyword research is a method which is used by search engine marketing profession or SEO experts in order to get actual search term which people usually enter in search box in search engine. Keyword research can help you to get better ranking for targeted keyword. Now let's say, for example, if I type best company for SEO. If you type this in Google, you can see a lot of companies which are providing SEO services in various rates. You can see SEO company in Mumbai, Ads Global 360, SEO rated number 1. So these all are the company. These company choose that particular keyword best company for SEO. They did some summation for that particular keyword. They choose some landing page so that whenever a particular user will click on or will search for that particular keyword best company for SEO, that user can easily see. Here you can see some paid ads. These companies are paying to Google to show their results. These are advertisements. We no need to talk about it right now. Keyword research is important because these keywords are coming here and a user will click according to your keyword. If your keyword is attractive, if the keyword is exactly the word which a user is looking for, it is but obvious that users will click and you will get a lot of traffic from keyword research. Now there are mainly 2 points for keyword research. The thing is, it is very important for search engine marketing, and if I'll say in very simple words, keyword research is the words, a phrase which user are typing in search box. Now how you can do it? Firstly, you need to understand the competition. Suppose if you have a site and you want some keyword for your particular site, you need to analyze and monitor the competition for various keywords. You need to prepare a list. You need to pick some keyword. There are basically 3 types of keyword. One is low, medium, and last one is high competition. For a good SEO, you should follow all these, but because it's very difficult to do SEO for high keywords, I should say high competition keyword. So people usually pick or SEO company usually pick medium competition keyword because it is very easy for them to list that particular keyword high in search results. And you need to find most appropriate keyword for your landing pages, because if you got a site, you may have a lot of pages, and it is important that for a particular page you should have some particular or targeted keyword. You should understand the traffic, because by understanding the traffic only you can get an idea about which keyword is more useful, more relevant, and which particular keyword can bring a lot of traffic. But always remember, quality and quantity both are important for keyword research, I should say. Keyword is the core of search engine optimization. You can achieve a traffic for your particular page by doing exact keyword research. For content creation and promotion, keyword research is must, because you can do some submission for SEO by picking some particular keyword, and you can write a content for a keyword. As you know, most of the people say that just write an article for me by taking this particular keyword. In that they want that keyword should appear in their article. So keyword is important for their research, because nowadays what people are saying, the keyword density should be 1. Keyword density should be 1 means the particular keyword should appear 1% time in the whole article. For example, if somebody asks you to write a 500 word article with 1% keyword density, it is very easy that you need to include the keyword 5 times in the whole article. It ensures that your website get maximum traffic by exact keyword research. Now there are basically 2 terms, long-term keyword and short-term keyword. Long-term keyword is a group of phrase or group of words which you can combine. I will explain you with an example. and a short term keyword is a particular keyword or two keywords. Let's say for a short tail keyword, example is marketing, and for a long term keyword, example is how you can do a marketing. For example, if I type in Google marketing, if simply I type this in Google, this is a short term keyword, short tail keyword. And if I type in Google marketing, you can see a lot of result. But if I type in Google how to get marketing, how to do online marketing, this is a long tail keyword. People nowadays are focusing on long tail keyword. The reason behind is very simple. The latest algorithm which is rolled out by Google is focusing on long tail keyword. So keep watching my next video, because in that video I am going to share how you can do keyword research very easily and very quickly. Thanks a lot. Have a good day and have a great